Welcome to Best 5 Products. The Best RC Truggy is probably one of the most exciting and versatile RC vehicles on the market, blending the speed and agility of a buggy with the durability and power of a monster truck, making it perfect for tackling a wide variety of terrains from dirt tracks and grassy fields to rocky trails and even light mud, offering an exhilarating off-road experience that appeals to both casual hobbyists and serious enthusiasts looking for a thrilling and engaging remote control adventure that can be enjoyed almost anywhere. Number 5. DEERC High-Speed RC Monster Truck. Get ready for an exhilarating experience with our newly upgraded high-speed RC car. Featuring larger tires and enhanced grip, it's designed for maximum performance on any terrain. This RC car boasts a durable nylon chassis for superior collision resistance. Its robust construction ensures it can handle tough conditions, making it perfect for all enthusiasts. Enjoy over 40 minutes of continuous playtime with 2 included rechargeable batteries. Each battery provides over 20 minutes of thrilling driving action. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, this hobby-grade RC car offers proportional control for precise throttle and steering. Easily adjust speed and direction for a customized racing experience. Experience incredible acceleration and a top speed of over 40 km/h thanks to its powerful 380 motor. The integrated metal heat sink ensures optimal performance and extended motor life. With its independent suspension and damped metal shocks, this RC car is ready to tackle any challenge. Drive it anywhere, from rough terrain to uneven ground, and never stop your racing journey. What we like. This one boasts impressive speed and all-terrain capability with its upgraded tires and suspension. If you're looking for a robust and fun RC truck that comes ready to go with extra battery life for extended play, this is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for those who want a durable, high-performance toy right out of the box. What people say. The 4WD traction makes it a blast to drive on pretty much any surface. Grass, gravel, dirt, pavement, it handles all of it without hesitation. It feels solid, the build quality is impressive too. The suspension actually works, and the waterproofing is legit. We've splashed through puddles and wet grass with zero issues. The included 2 batteries are a huge bonus and easily double the fun without having to stop and recharge right away. Number 4. DEERC 9206E DIY 110 Scale RC Monster Truck. Get ready for an exhilarating driving experience with this high-speed RC car. Its robust design and powerful performance make it perfect for any enthusiast. Unleash your creativity with the included transparent car shell. Imagine, design, and build your own unique RC car, making it truly yours. Enjoy extended adventures with 2 high-quality rechargeable batteries. You can experience up to 40 minutes of thrilling playtime on a single charge. Master every turn with proportional throttle and steering control. Its intuitive 2.4 GHz system offers precise handling up to 100 meters, suitable for all skill levels. Equipped with durable metal oil-filled shock absorbers, this vehicle can tackle any surface. Drive it on beaches, rocks, or concrete roads with confidence. Looking for the perfect gift? This impressive RC car is ideal for kids and adults alike, sparking imagination and providing endless outdoor fun. What we like. This model offers a unique customization experience with an included DIY extra car shell, allowing you to personalize your ride. If you love to express your creativity and want a fast, eye-catching RC truck, this is the one for you. It's ideal for hobbyists who enjoy a blend of performance and personal flair, plus the LED headlights make night driving a blast. What people say. The remote control has a good range and is easy to use. The battery life is impressive, lasting for over 30 minutes on a single charge. The truck is very durable and can handle rough terrain with ease. Number 3. AMORIL 110 RTR Brushless Monster Truck. Experience exhilarating speeds of up to 50 miles per hour with this powerful brushless RC truck. Its advanced electronics are designed for maximum performance and customization, allowing you to push the limits. Conquer any landscape with its robust central differential transmission and thickened alloy chassis. This 4WD system ensures efficient power delivery for a strong and reliable off-road experience. Enjoy a smooth ride even at high speeds thanks to its unique triangle geometric structure, CNC shock towers, and oil-filled absorbers. It's designed to handle big jumps and stunts with ease. Its strong car body, featuring thickened bumpers and AA nylon swing arms, makes it suitable for various terrains. With an easy-to-use 4-channel controller, it's perfect for both beginners and experienced hobbyists. This RC car offers versatile compatibility and upgradability. An adjustable battery compartment and motor mount allow for easy customization, making it ideal for thrill seekers who love to personalize their vehicles. Don't let the elements stop you. This waterproof RC car is ready for any adventure, rain or shine, providing endless fun and excitement. What we like. Experience extreme speed with its powerful brushless motor and readiness for 3S LiPo batteries, pushing performance to the limit. If you're a thrill seeker chasing top speeds and advanced customization options, this RC truck is engineered for you. It's the ultimate choice for those who demand raw power and the potential for serious upgrades. What people say. Durable and well constructed. Remote works well enough, motors are solid performers, and if you're into it, you can modify just about everything on this turkey. It has excellent speed and traction for all types of terrain including snow, ice, and wet conditions. It's fast, it's 4x4, just overall a great RC car for beginners or intermediate drivers. The Omni comes with everything. It's already faster unless I get the 3S motor for my Traxxas, then it would be the same speed pretty much, but the Omni even has cooling fans on the motor. Number 2. HAIBOXING RC Cars Hailstorm. Get ready for an exhilarating ride with this high-speed RC car. Its powerful motor and 4WD system deliver speeds of up to 36 km/h, offering a realistic racing and off-road experience on various terrains. This remote control vehicle features an independent suspension and shockproof system to handle vibrations effectively. With ball bearings throughout and a durable PVC shell, it's built to last. Don't let water, mud, or snow stop the fun. Its semi-waterproof design protects it from splashing water, making it suitable for almost any complex road condition or harsh environment. Enjoy longer playtime with 2 rechargeable batteries included. Each battery provides approximately 12 minutes of driving, and recharging is easy via USB. This RC car is a fantastic gift for kids aged 8 and up, perfect for birthdays or holidays. It's designed to enhance intelligence and practical skills while providing endless entertainment. We stand by our product. If you encounter any quality issues, please contact us, and we'll be happy to assist you promptly. What we like. This RC truck is built to tackle the elements with its IPX4 waterproof rating, making it fearless of water, mud, and snow. If you're an adventurer who doesn't let weather conditions dictate your fun, this is your ideal companion. It offers a great balance of speed and resilience for realistic off-road action in almost any environment. What people say. The truck has a great suspension system that handles rough terrain with ease. The motor is powerful and provides excellent acceleration for thrilling speed. The build quality is solid, with durable materials that can withstand impacts. Number 1. DEERC 9500E 1/16 scale all-terrain RC car. Experience the thrill of high-speed racing with dual powerful motors delivering over 40 km/h. These motors also provide impressive climbing ability, allowing you to conquer steep 50-degree slopes effortlessly. This all-wheel drive monster truck is built tough with a durable nylon chassis and high-torque steering. Its splash-proof design and wide wheels let you drive freely on any rough road. Beyond its incredible performance, this off-road vehicle boasts a custom-designed graffiti shell with a cool skeleton graphic for a unique visual experience. Enjoy longer driving sessions with 2 included rechargeable batteries. The 2.4 GHz control system allows multiple trucks to race together without interference, perfect for fun with friends and family. With its extraordinary grip, operation, and durability, this RC car is an ideal gift for both entry-level and intermediate users. It's the perfect choice for an exciting present. What we like. Featuring dual motors for exceptional power, this RC truck excels in climbing steep inclines up to 50 degrees. If you're looking for an RC vehicle that can conquer challenging vertical terrains and offers impressive speed, this is the one. It's perfect for users who want a robust truck with excellent climbing capabilities and a visually striking design. What people say. It's super quick, the speed trim is set all the way up. It has full analog throttle and steering, great speed and power to effortlessly go through dirt and grass, and even has a steering centering calibration knob right on the controller along with a top speed adjustment knob to limit the car's speed if your kid can't quite handle it yet. Awesome beginner-friendly RC. Tough as nails and can fight through all types of terrain with ease. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.